DNA fingerprinting. So let's set the scene. We have one girl murdered, one hair left behind. We're looking into four suspects and then the one victim. We're going to find out who can be eliminated and who cannot. So first, let's look at the first locus. So as we can see all the way on the left, we have our hair and the DNA of our hair. So we're going to look to see who matches in locus 1. So we can rule out our victim because the DNA is not similar in locus 1. Suspect 1, it is identical. Suspect 2, it's complete opposite. Suspect 3, it's identical. And suspect 4, there's nothing in common. So what we know from our locus 1 is that suspect 1 and suspect 3 have a locus 1 that matches our hair. Next, we're going to go into our locus 2. So we're going to first look at our hair to find out what we are matching, and then we're going to look at our victim who matches, our suspect 1 that matches, our suspect 2 that does not match, our suspect 3 that does not match, and our suspect 4 that does not match. So if we look at our locus 1 and our locus 2, the only suspect or victim that we have that match in both locus would be our suspect 1. Therefore, our suspect 1 has a matching DNA to the hair. So conclusion, we know that our hair was taken for our crime scene. Our victim, our locus 1 matched the DNA, but our loci 2 did not. Suspect 1, the DNA matched in both locus 1 and locus 2. Suspect 2 had no match for neither locus 1 or locus 2. Suspect 3 had a locus 1 match, but not a locus 2. Suspect 4 had no match in neither locus 1 or locus 2. And then by looking at our DNA and our DNA fingerprint, we can tell that suspect 2 and suspect 4 are related. Let's take a look. As we can see in our loci 1, they have the one identical spot, which would be our last one in suspect 1 and suspect 4. And then in our locus 2, they also have one identical, which means that suspect 2 and suspect 4 are directly related. Thank you.